Hi, first graders. This week we are going to do our animal research. It's super exciting. And this week, I think if you want to choose koala bear with me, that would be great. There's a wonderful book on Epic that is read aloud, and I really love it. I'll put it in the post with this so your parents can click on it and show you that book. So the animal we're choosing is koala, but first I have to write my name. I'll do that really quick while you guys write your name. I'm just going to put Mrs. P. And the animal is koala, so this is how you write koala. Dive down K, slide in, slide out. Magic C, O, magic C, A. Dive down L. Magic C-A. Koala. Now, after listening to the book about koalas, I know that their size is 30 inches tall. So I'm going to write 30 inches. Dive down I, dive down N, magic C, dive down H, hit the ball and run around the base for the E. Magic CS, 30 inches tall. Dive down T, magic CA, dive down for tall. Their color, well, you guessed it, their color is gray and white. Magic CG, dive down R, magic CA, slide, slide, gray, leave a space for and, magic C-A, dive down N, magic C, helicopter up, back down, and bump the line for the D. Gray and white. Let's put white on the next line. Slide for the W, dive down for the H, dive down for the I, dive down for the T. Hit the ball, run around the base for the E. Gray and white. Type of coloring, well, I remember hearing that they have thick fur. Dive down T, dive down H, dive down I, magic C, dive down, slide in, slide out for the K, and then leave a finger space for fur. Dive down F, dive down U, dive down R, thick fur. Now, if you would like to stop at chapter 1 for one day, that is perfectly fine. You can just press pause and tomorrow come back and do chapter 2. But if you'd like to do chapter 2 with me right now, that's fine too. So chapter 2 asks about location, like what continent do koala bears live? And I remember hearing that they live in Australia. So we need a capital A for this continent. Dive down U, magic CS, dive down T, dive down R, magic CA, dive down L, dive down I, magic CA. Australia, that's very far away from here. Type of habitat, like a forest, an ocean, or a desert. Where do koala bears live? Well, they live in the forest. Dive down F, magic CO, dive down R, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, magic CS, dive down T. And where is their home? Well, their home is up in the trees. But they have a very special type of tree. So they live in a eucalyptus tree. And this is how you spell eucalyptus. Hit the ball, run around the base for the E. Dive down for the U. magic C, magic C, A, dive down L, slide, slide for the Y, dive down, swim up and over and bump the P, dive down T, dive down U, magic C, S. So we want to write trees, eucalyptus trees, dive down T, dive down R, hit the ball and run around the base twice, and we'll put a magic C, S at the end. And that is chapter 2. So if this is your second day coming back into this video, you can stop there. That's enough for one day. And then for chapter 3, what do koala bears eat? Well, they eat eucalyptus leaves. There's that big long word again. Hit the ball and run around the base for the E. Magic C. Oops. Sorry, let's turn that into a dive down U and then a magic C. Magic C, A. Dive down L. Slide, slide for the Y. Dive down, swim up and over for the P. Dive down T. Dive down U. Magic C, S. Such a long word. But they eat eucalyptus leaves. Dive down L. Hit the ball, run around the base for the E. Magic C, A. Slide down, slide up for the V. Hit the ball, run around the base for the E. Magic C, S. And what do they do? How do they move? Well, I remember hearing that they like to climb. Magic C. Dive down L, dive down I, dive down 2 hills for the M, dive down P, swim up and over and bump the P. They like to climb and they like to jump between the branches. Dive down J, dive down U, dive down M, dive down P, up around and bump the P. And sleep, well, koala bears sleep a lot. They sleep 20 hours. There's my 20. Here comes hours. Dive down H, magic C, O, dive down U, dive down R, magic C, S. 20 hours in a day. So magic C, A. Then we'll write day, magic C, D, magic C, A, slide, slide, 20 hours a day. Oh, up in trees. Dive down U, dive down, swim up, around, and bump the P, up, in, dive down, trees. Dive down T, dive down R, hit the ball, run around the base, hit the ball, run around the base. Magic C, S. Wow, they sleep a lot in trees. This is the spot where if you'd like to print a picture of a koala bear, you can put the picture of a koala bear right there. And then on the last page is our resources, and this is where we're going to put our book title. So the title of our book is My Favorite Animal, Koalas. So let's see if I can fit that. Dive down M, slide and slide for the Y, then dive down F, magic C, A, slide up, slide out, magic C, O, dive down R, dive down I, dive down T, hit the ball and run around the base. Favorite, then would be animal, dive down N, dive down I, dive down M, magic C, A, dive down L. And I think I'm going to put koala over here. Dive down K, magic C O, magic C A, dive down L, magic C A. And then the author's name is Victoria. Slide, slide, dive down dot, magic C, dive down T, magic C O, dive down R, dive down I, magic C A. And then her last name is Marcos. Dive down M, magic C A, dive down R, magic C O, magic C O, and magic C S. And the copyright, I could not find the copyright, so I'm just going to leave that alone. That's kind of why I put a line there, because I just couldn't find that information. And the page numbers, really, I'm just going to write all, because I found some information on every single page. Magic CA, dive down for the L. And that's it. We didn't use a website, so we can leave that blank. We have done the entire animal research project if you put your picture in. So I hope you had fun learning about the koala bear, and I will talk to you soon. Bye now.